Now, let me tell you about King. King don't like the rain. King can't go out in the rain. He refuses to. And it's raining, y'all. You can see it by the gutter. Look how much it's raining. But this sad fool, I done gave him a rawhide bone. And he don't care about no rain today. You don't care about it, buddy? He don't like to get wet. He like to swim. But if it's raining, ain't nothing. He ain't doing it. Then I'm out here getting wet, videotaping you. Because it's amazing. Y'all don't feel the rain, Prince King? You look like a piglet. Lord. You trying to get it down? You don't want no one to take it, do you? You literally look like a piglet. And it's raining and I'm getting wet just to videotape you. Videotape because I'm old. Yeah, I'm old, people. I'm talking like my mama and daddy. They're gonna videotape that. I recorded it on my phone. Is that better? So I'm recording this on my phone about how insane that this dog will not go out in the rain, and it is literally pouring out here. Y'all can't see it because of the video, but it's pouring. And I'm gonna show you the difference when it's pouring and he gotta go out. He ain't going. Lord have mercy. Come on, buddy, you can bring it in the house. He's getting it down, down, down. Oh, there's more pieces. He's such a scrounge. Ooh, Lord, he is a scrounge. Another piece. I'm gonna pause this. He's already been out here for like 30 minutes in the rain. We're doing 2 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm gonna pause it and come back and see if he makes it. It's currently 6:32 in Indian Falls, New York on May 5th. He's shaking the rain off. We'll come back in a moment, see what happens.